make you feel great. But it's not always easy, especially at lunchtime. That's why we created the Prep Pack, a revolutionary new take on the humble lunchbox, intelligently designed and beautifully crafted to make lunchtime more enjoyable. We've created an innovative system of modular containers that can be arranged in different combinations to suit your changing daily needs. And there's an app designed alongside the Prep Pack that allows you to browse tasty meal plans, simply select one to make for the week ahead, output customized shopping lists, and follow recipes designed to fit the Prep Pack containers perfectly. Buying multiple containers allows you to batch cook in one sitting, always have food prepared in advance. Grab your food for the day, put it in your pack, and you're ready to go. You have everything you need to create and enjoy delicious, Instagram-worthy lunches every day.
The app also automatically measures what you eat, giving you a more complete picture of your diet. But most importantly, Prep Pack delivers an unrivaled eating experience. From the integrated silicone eating mat to the smart magnetic cutlery, we've thought of every detail to ensure you'll always look forward to lunchtime.